If you need to remove a text box in LibreOffice Writer, this quick tutorial will show you the easiest way to do it. Whether the text box is empty, contains text, or is sitting in the middle of your page, the process is simple once you know exactly what to click. And if you find this video helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. Once it launches, look at the left side under Create and click Writer Document. This will open a new Writer file where you can work with your text box. If you already have a document open, you can use that too. The important part is getting into the Writer editor where the text box appears. Now, find the text box you want to remove. Click directly on the text box itself. This part matters a lot because sometimes people click inside the text and think the box is selected, but only the text cursor is active. You need the border of the box to be selected, not just the words inside it. When the border is selected correctly, the box will usually show selection handles around the edges. If you only click inside the text area, LibreOffice may let you edit the text, but it will not delete the entire box. So take a second to make sure the outer frame is highlighted. If needed, click once more on the border until you can clearly see that the whole text box is selected. Once the border is selected, simply press Delete on your keyboard. That will remove the text box from the document completely. If the box is part of a larger layout, it should disappear right away, along with any text contained inside it. This is the fastest way to clean up your document when you no longer need that box. If nothing happens when you press Delete, go back and check whether the border was actually selected. That is the most common mistake. Again, the key is selecting the object itself, not the text inside the object. Once the frame is active, Delete will do the job. And that's all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you can remove a text box in LibreOffice Writer without needing any extra tools or complicated steps. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments what software tip you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.